Hi yogis, welcome back to my channel, Yogini Victoria. My name is Victoria and I thank you all for being here today. So today's class is a guided breathing or pranayama practice called Ujayi breath. If you have taken many yoga classes, you are probably familiar with this breath because this is one of the most popular breathing techniques that yoga teachers instruct students to implement throughout their physical asana yoga practice. This breath, it means victorious breath. Ujayi breath is sometimes referred to as ocean sounding breath, white noise sounding breath, or even Darth Vader breath. Because you need to constrict your vocal cords for this breath, it tends to have that sort of ambient sound to it. So you'll follow along with me throughout this whole process to understand, how to practice this type of breathing, and maybe going forward you could try to implement this type of breathing throughout your physical yoga practice. But in the meantime, all you need is a comfortable seated position, whether that be in a chair or on the floor, and then you could just follow along with me, and yeah, let's get started. So in a comfortable upright seated position, just relax your shoulders down and back. You could bring your palms face down on your knees or your thighs. If you're sitting in a chair like I am right now, you could plant both feet on the ground, find some stability in your posture. And just notice if you're leaning with your torso in any particular direction. Try to find alignment from the crown of your head through your sit bones. Just take a few breaths here. If you want to take your gaze down or close your eyes, you're welcome to do that. Just bring an awareness to your breath. Every inhale, allow your belly, ribs, and chest to expand. And with every exhale, allow your chest, ribs, and belly to fall. Just take a few rounds being mindful of the physical sensations as you breathe. And try to keep the length of the inhales and exhales equal. Now that you're a little settled here, we're going to begin the Ujayi practice by bringing one hand in front of your face. I want to bring it close enough so this way you can feel your breath on your hand. So we're going to inhale in through the nose, and then as you exhale, let's take it aside. Let's take a sigh first, out the mouth. So inhale in through the nose, and sigh out the mouth. Inhale in through the nose, and sigh out the mouth. Alright, and now let's do away with the sigh. We'll just exhale audibly out the mouth. So inhale in through the nose, exhale audibly out the mouth. Kind of like you're fogging a mirror. Inhale in, exhale out the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, fog the mirror. Inhale, exhale. So now we're going to exhale with the same activity in the back of the throat, except we're going to seal the lips closed at the end of the exhale. So inhale in through the nose, exhale, and seal the lips. And continue to exhale out the mouth after you seal the lips. Let's try it again. Inhale in, exhale out the mouth, and seal the lips and continue to exhale. Inhale, exhale out the mouth, seal the lips, and continue to exhale. And this is where you might notice why this breath is called ocean sounding breath or Darth Vader breath. It's because you're starting to develop that sound in the back of the throat. So one more round like this, exhaling out the mouth and then sealing the lips at the end while continuing to exhale. So inhale, exhale, great. And now you can move your hand away. And we're going to inhale in through the nose, exhale out the mouth, except the lips will be sealed the entire time. So inhale, exhale with the lips sealed. Inhale, exhale with the lips sealed. Two more rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. You can release the breath. Just noticing how that felt for you. Maybe it was new to you and a little uncomfortable or weird, and that's totally okay. Maybe this breath technique resonated with you, or maybe it didn't. Both are totally okay. Now you can gently blink the eyes open. Thank you all for practicing with me. Please let me know how that breath went for you. Was it confusing or tricky still? Did you like it? Let me know. I love to hear your feedback. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.